Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here. Here's another original knot for you. This is the honeysuckle knot. Let's get started. This is my left side. It's at the belt line. Come over, put in a dimple. Bring this over to the center like this, the skinny end. We're going to come around like this. And over like that to secure it. And then we're going to come up and over like this. Now, I'm going to put my index finger in the middle and bring the skinny end around the index finger like that, and then back it around, creating this cone part right here. We're going to come underneath this right here. This is what we have so far. So then, now what I want to do is I want to keep this kind of sturdy. So I'm going to fold this in half, come underneath it, and then come back under like this. I'm going to unfold this. Actually, I'm going to leave it folded. I'm going to open up this bottom part right here and bring it through like this. And then bring it through this. And tuck it under there. Now, I want to make it kind of open it up a bit. Well, not open it. Actually, I like it looking just like that. The honeysuckle. So again, on your side, my friends, you're fearfully wonderfully made. Peace and God bless.